So just following on from my last video about the King Arthur Royal Mail stamp collection, The Legend of King Arthur, this is the unboxing which I promised in the last video, just a short one, excuse my foot. And yeah, an interesting package, some lovely artwork on the stamps and a nice inlay with various bits of information about the Arthur legend throughout the centuries. Yeah, definitely recommend it. I'll just leave you with these images for a moment. Yeah, so various stages of the Arthur mythology, some of the knights, Sir Gawain and the Green Knight there, Lancelot, Merlin, etc, etc, Sir Galahad and the Holy Grail, Arthur fights Mordred, and the death of Arthur. It's a little shot of the inlay card there. And I also, for 30p on top, I also bought the first day cover envelope, which came bizarrely in a totally different pack, so they could have saved themselves a few pence or a couple of quid there. But yeah, all in all, definitely recommend it. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Normal service will be resumed in the next video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Thanks for watching.